Alright, another quick tip for everyone, no? Kung nahihirapan kayo or you have problems with your wrist naman on your left hand, no? Usually, lahat ng mga beginner violinists, ganito yung nagiging issue, no? Pag humahawak sila ng violin, gumaganan yung kamay nila. And I don't think nangyayari lang yun because you're just a beginner, no? But it's because may mga tendencies tayong gawin yun because of improper hold, no? Kasi akala ng iba, pag hinawakan mo yung violin, kailangan nakagrip tayo. So, of course, kailangan maayos muna natin yung hold natin dito. Now, para maiwasan natin yung pag ganito ng wrist, we want to keep the arm straight, diba? Yung buong arm natin. So, ito. So, in order for you to do that while holding the violin, kasi pag hawak mo siya, talagang may tendency talagang gumanon, no? Parang ito yung magigre-relax tayo, no? Or nagko-collapse yung ating wrist. So, para maiwasan natin yung pag-collapse ng wrist natin, we can actually just turn this, no? Instead of having it face us like this, ang gagawin nyo is it faces away, no? So, for me, it faces my left dito, yung aking palad, no? So, instead of you having to face your, di ba? Ang gagawin natin is you have your hand face away. So, pag ganito yung magiging hold natin, ano nangyayari? Parang naka-lock in place na siya na straight. So, mahirap na. Although kaya pa rin, pero mas mahirap siyang gawin. Mas strenuous versus having it in front. So, this is how it would look, diba? Sa mga beginners, ganyan talaga sila. Humawak, parang natatakot sa paglapat ng daliri. And then, if you just move it a little bit inward, ayan, medyo masusolusyonan na yung problema natin when it comes to our wrist collapsing sa ating left hand. Ayan. So, try nyo din, and sana nakatulong. Good luck!